Welcome back to our channel. Let's take a look into the list of top 5 best electric skateboards that will blow your mind. Before we start, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming videos. Let's begin. Number 5. UDITER Pixel Rider. The UDITER Pixel Rider revolutionizes electric skateboarding as the world's first DIY LED screen skateboard, featuring patented innovation that lets you customize the deck's display via a mobile app, showcase photos, graffiti, GIFs, text, or even a clock and calendar, adding a personal touch to every ride. With a top speed of 28 miles per hour and dual swappable 7.8 ampere 328 watt-hour batteries, it delivers an impressive range of 25 to 50 miles. Starting at $999, this sleek, high-tech skateboard combines cutting-edge performance with unmatched creativity, making every journey an unforgettable experience. Number 4. Evolve Bamboo GTR. The Evolve Bamboo GTR is a high-performance electric skateboard that delivers a perfect blend of power. With its flexible bamboo deck, it offers a smooth and responsive ride, reaching speeds of up to 27 miles per hour and a range of 31 miles on a single charge. Powered by dual motors rated at 3,000 watt and 6,368 watt, and equipped with PowerFlex battery technology, it ensures long-lasting adventures. Now priced at just $999, the Bamboo GTR offers premium features like Bluetooth FOC control and a dual-trigger remote, making it an unbeatable choice for riders seeking performance and value. Number 3. KAERI Robot Labs Hoverboard. KAERI Robot Labs Hoverboard is a revolutionary personal mobility device designed with futuristic engineering and robotic innovation. Utilizing 2 air cushion flotation devices resembling a bicopter drone system, it ensures a non-contact, ultra-smooth ride like no other. Developed as part of a groundbreaking research project, this hoverboard offers intuitive control, exceptional stability, and unmatched performance. Perfect for tech enthusiasts and urban explorers, it redefines transportation with a seamless blend of robotics and cutting-edge technology. Number 2. Ungoverned VENDETTA. The Ungoverned VENDETTA redefines electric skateboarding with its rugged design and extreme performance, built for adventurers and off-road enthusiasts. Featuring front and rear-wheel drive with autonomous traction control, it delivers peak speeds of 50 km per hour for thrilling rides across diverse terrains. Its removable deck-integrated battery offers up to 30 minutes of high-speed fun, while the 5-hour charge time ensures it's always adventure-ready. Priced at $9,900, the VENDETTA is the ultimate electric skateboard for those who dare to defy the ordinary. Number 1. CocoMotors WalkCar. Introducing the CocoMotors WalkCar, the world's smallest portable electric vehicle that's no bigger than a laptop and fits right in your bag. Weighing just enough for effortless handling, it features 4 pressure-sensitive sensors for intuitive control: lean to accelerate, slow down, or turn. With 2 modes, normal, 6.2 miles per hour, and sport, 10 miles per hour, it offers a fun and convenient ride for short commutes or adventures. Priced at $999, the WalkCar combines innovation and portability, redefining personal mobility with style and ease. So there you have it, the top 5 best electric skateboards that will blow your mind. What do you think about these amazing electric skateboards? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.